Hi, I'm Darren, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is Hi Barbie Day. Hi Barbie is on the 18th of every month, and that is a challenge brought to you by Dory's Dollies and us here at Dolls Rescued to bring out your Barbie dolls, any Barbie dolls, from the little bitty McDonald's Barbies all the way up to your full-size or my-size Barbies, and dress them up or set them in a theme that's announced the previous month, I believe on the 20th. And this month's theme for Hi Barbie is Merry and Bright. And here you can see a 17-inch Barbie, one of Marna's favorites here. She's here in her apron and has been busy baking away holiday treats and, of course, brightening up the home. And here she is decorating our little Christmas tree. Well, it's a full-size tree to her. Decorating it with some LED lights. We have a few little bitty ornaments, bicycle Santa, which we love, and a few other fun things. It's just a little way. This is, for years we lived in a tiny home, and trust me, tiny homes are not glamorous. If you've ever actually had to live in one, it is not a fun thing. You have to go outside to change your mind. Every year we would try and set up a little Christmas tree in the corner on a bookshelf or something, just to have a little bit of holiday spirit. In fact, that's how we got into the little Z scale and N scale trains, because we'd put a little bitty train around the little bitty tree. So head on over to Dory at Dory's Dollies and see what she has today for you. You know it's going to be something spectacular. She really does up the holidays at her house, head to toe. Just beautiful work that she does. And I know that whatever she does today for her Hi Barbie, Merry and Bright, it's going to be spectacular. So please go over to Dory, take a look at what she's done. And of course, if you have a Hi Barbie video today, please leave that in the comment below. Let us know, leave a note in Dory's as well, and any others that you see, so that we all can get around and visit each other's Hi Barbie video and share some of the magical Christmas spirit. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And while you're at it, leave a little note from Marna wishing her well. I certainly appreciate it, and I know that with your good wishes that she'll be back at this shortly. Thanks. Bye, and Merry Christmas.